There are many ways to reorder your column in your dataset, and this by far is the most easiest way. What you're going to do is you're going to assign the column based on the number or order that you want. Let me show you. Let's say I'm going to call this my very first column, going to be my second column, my third column, and then say this is going to be my fourth and my fifth column. Once you assign the order, you're going to place your cursor anywhere on your dataset like this, and you're going to press Ctrl A to select your whole dataset. Then after that, on your pull down menu here, you're going to go data, under sort and filter, you're going to click on sort. This pop-up window will appear. Over here, you're going to select options button here, and on this pop-up of options, you're going to select sort left to right and click OK. And under sorting by, the only thing you're going to select here will be row 1 and leave everything as default. After that, click OK, and you can see that your columns are now sorted according to row 1, and adjust the column width like this, and then you are done.